Hey folks, it's Ben. I'm here with another exciting Silverado video. Here's my 1998 Chevy Silverado making a really bad noise, and this morning I was going to head off to work and it's like, holy crap. So I took the wife's car in order to diagnose what's going on. I've got the truck up on jack stands. It's two-wheel drive, so it's not going to move anywhere. And then you turn the truck on like my wife just did. She puts on the brake, puts it in drive, and then, if you notice, there's a huge, massive amount of ice up there that's kind of wiggling around. So the U-joints seem fine and everything else is good, just this huge chunk of ice underneath my truck. So it's an easy fix. I got a heater right here, and we're gonna go ahead and thaw that out, and that should take care of it. But we'll run it for a couple hours and see how that goes. So it's always good to diagnose your problems before you do anything, and in this case it doesn't really require anything mechanical. It just needs us to thaw out the big ice chunk underneath the truck. So if you have any questions on this awesome Silverado, that used to be painted chrome, by the way. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them, but thanks for watching.